What's going on, everyone? Investor here. We've got another weekly portfolio update, and this week was not as good as last week. It was a bit rough. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss any new videos. I try to bring you a weekly portfolio update as well as other videos as often as I can. This past week, again, was a bit rough for me. I was down 1% on the week, or a total of $94.60, as you can see. So I hope you guys had a better week than I did. But Thursday was a tough day for everyone in the market. The market just really tanked that day. So I'm assuming many of you suffered as much as I did that one day, and it kind of brought everything for the week down. But luckily enough, we had a couple of days where things rebounded and kind of helped bring it back, or it could have been even worse, right? So with the dip this week, though, I did take the opportunity to dollar cost average some more. Kind of getting used to doing that now, and I kind of like doing it, so I'm going to continue to do that. Pretty much almost every day I was dollar cost averaging into something. I also added a new position in Target, and we'll cover that a little bit more when we get into the spreadsheet, but it had reached a point to me that signaled to buy. But I only bought a few dollars worth of Target shares to start with. So I did receive one dividend payment this week. So currently I'm just sitting at just over 94.22 into the account. This particular month hopefully will be the month that I set a record in the portfolio and achieve one of my yearly goals. And this is one of the goals that I set for myself of the four goals that I have currently. So I'll show you more in the spreadsheet, but you're going to want to stay tuned to the next few videos just to make sure and see what I'm talking about hitting those goals. But we are getting closer, and I believe this month will be one of the months where I do that. This upcoming week, I plan to continue to buy and dollar cost average. I'm hoping to add some money to the account. I did put some overtime in to be able to fund some more of the account as I try to push it up over that $10,000 mark. We'll see if the market continues to be friendly or not to help me get there. If not, again, we'll just keep buying, right? So let's head over to the spreadsheet, guys, and I'll show you what I've been up to this week. All right, guys, taking a look at the spreadsheet. You see kind of what I've added for the week here. So the shares being this is the new total, old being previous total or last week, and what the difference is. And the difference being this is everything that I've added since I did last week's video. So you can see 0.2150 of SCHD, the 0.2691. This is basically just from the drip that I received. I'll cover that here in just a second. Added 0.297 shares of O. That was from the dollar cost averaging. Added 0.69 shares of ABR. They've got ex-dividend coming up, so I wanted to put a little bit of money into them, help the dividend payment go up for the month. Added just over 3 shares of Tesla. Figured while it was in that $11 dip, $10 dip, I bought some more. Energy Transfer, same thing with the ex-dividend date. It's come and gone, I believe, but I put in a little bit more there. Procter & Gamble, added some more while it was down. And you'll see the new position here for Target. Target I wanted to pick up. It had dropped down to the low 106, I think high 105 range. Kind of a buying opportunity for me, so wanted to pick that up. But you'll see I only picked up the 0.119 shares, so very small position. You see what I invested in that was just under $13, so not a lot. Kind of see where it goes. You know, try to pick up more, but I believe Target's it's going to rebound. It's a good company. It's not going anywhere, and it signaled to buy for me, so I figured I'd jump into that. So see quite a bit more red here with the market being down this past week. Again, I was down what $96 I think on the week, so kind of a rough week across the board. Thursday was really bad, so kind of contributed to more reds being here, but that's okay. I'm still in a buying mode. So I'm going to continue to buy, going to keep continuing to add shares. I'm going to continue to dollar cost average if things continue to go down like they've been. You know, and eventually they'll come back up and I'll be rewarded, hopefully, right? Coming over to the positions, you'll see for the week, or kind of where I'm sitting at total position wise. This was just, the greens here was just ending on Friday. So that's what your totals are looking at here. So we're looking total positions here. So I added back the dividends that I received from Jeppy, and I'll cover that in just a second here. But it brings my total position up to about $58, or we'll call it $59 on the total position. You'll see 0.74 here. That's because I'm down on the principal, but because I've received $75 in the dividends, that's where the 58 comes from. And one reason I'm so behind being a dividend investor and want to focus on being that dividend investor is those dividends can really help pull you out of the hole that you may be digging yourself into a little bit, or help make things that look good, look even better. So they really can help. So that's where I'm sitting there. But you'll see quite a few greens. I'm doing fairly well in some of the positions right now. Got a little bit to go. Got to fix this one. I haven't received that from VIG, so gonna have to fix that one here. So that one's incorrect. So that one should probably still be red. I think I'm down on that position about $1, so I'm not too worried there. The other ones here up so far, the last 3 that I've invested in, so doing pretty good. But you still see down for the year to date, $378. So got a little bit of work to do to get that back up. Getting some more dividends coming in will hopefully help correct that. So kind of depends on what the market's going to do. But let's jump over to the calendar. See, I received the $14.76 from Jeppy. That was the only payment I received this past week, but $14.76, that's the highest so far you'll see since I've been contributing into Jeppy since basically started buying, I want to say, in January. Got that first payment there, 44 cents, and you'll see it's just incrementally working its way up. A little bit of a dip here when they drop the payment, but either way, still working its way up. But hey, $75.40 I've received so far. Look at that. It's my highest that I've received, like, from a holding. So hopefully it'll continue to push higher and higher and higher as we go. But only one more month for this year. We'll see. We'll see if I can't get that at least up to maybe, $18, $19, $20 here pretty quick. Just keep adding more shares as I try to push towards my goal. So only the 3 payments so far received this month. Still got quite a few to go, but brings the monthly total up to $28.51, which is looking pretty good. I'm really optimistic that I'm going to hit this $59 goal, give or take. This is from Purple Bricks, the estimate. But knowing that I still have Tesla coming in, I got O coming in, I've got a couple of payers. That should probably bring out about another $25 or so. And if that does, then ta-da, I've made my goal, right? So you have to stay tuned for that one. Hopefully within the next week or two, we'll all be able to celebrate together and be able to see that I finally hit that $50 goal that I've been working on for this whole year. And if that's the case, we celebrate and then we keep pushing forward, right? Now we pick a new goal, whether it's 75, whether it's 100, don't know, but we'll keep going. I want to see that 50 just become a happy memory in the future. So quite a few more payments here. And then obviously in December, if I don't manage to hit it this month, which at least I don't see why I wouldn't, you can see with the projection at $74, there's no reason why next month, counting that I should have an SDHD payment, that's about $25, $30 in and of itself. There's no reason why I shouldn't hit it there. So if not this month, definitely next month, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be this month. So please stay tuned to the next couple of videos, guys. Tune in, help cheer me on. Let's hit that goal, right? So moving over, let's see, $28.51 so far. So brings the total up to $220 for the year. For an account that's still just in its kind of infancy stage, $220 is pretty good. See kind of where we're looking here with the chart. Not bad. Get my little cadence going up and up and up. Again, still working on this, still trying to figure out what I'm going to do. So we'll ignore the pies for just a minute. We come down to the goals. You'll see where they're currently sitting. Just over 40 here, just over 41 with Jeppy, and just over 33 with O. So I've got a little bit of work to do with O Realty. And the fact that they're continuing to be on sale, I should be buying some more. But I also wanted to get into some of these other positions like Target, Pepsi, Procter & Gamble, some of these ones that, they're also on sale. But those are ones that I want to hold for a long term. Probably more than I do O, at least for now. But so it was an opportunity to start a position. But not bad. We're getting there. I'm working on it. Jump over to the quarter. So $71 for the quarter. And you see I'm practically gonna destroy quarter 3 with this quarter, seeing as how I still have a $70 month, 70-something dollar month projected to come for next month, and still $20, $30 left for this month to go. So, and that's exactly what I want to see. And then as we jump over to quarter 1 for 2024, I want to be able to increase it over that. Every quarter, I want to just go higher and higher and higher. And that's the goal. That's what I'm focusing on right now, is just trying to generate the income into this account. As we get there, my quest right now, is to try to hit those 50s, try to get that account over $10,000, which I'm looking like I might be able to do it. Hopefully this week I can add some extra money, a couple $100. We'll push it there. So, but nice cadence up. Quarter 4 should be somewhere up in this range, hopefully. So looking pretty good. Again, just the 220 for the year. Got plenty more years to come to be able to build this chart, be able to show you guys the fun stuff there. So projections for the year, it's kind of the same here, even though I did put a little bit more into ET, so you can see this up here with Pepsi and the Procter and Gamble, and I've got to add Target here. A couple things on the spreadsheet, just doing the video here's got me looking at, so I got a few things to fix. So again, most of the stuff on the left here I've mentioned in previous videos. This is where I've been focusing. So this is where the money has been going. Try to build these positions up. As we get closer to the end of the year, I'm really starting to think of what are my goals going to be for this next year. Please comment below what you guys think. If you have any ideas of what I should pick as a goal, typically I want to do 2 or 3, maybe 3 or 4. We'll see. A couple of stocks, pick a number, and try to hit some sort of monthly, or just, I don't even have to say monthly, just a month. I want to try to hit at least $100 per se, or 150, or whatever, something like that. I want to hit that at least 1 month throughout the year, something like that. So if you guys have any ideas, you've been tuning into the channel long enough, kind of understand where I'm going with things, please comment below. Let me know what you think. So see the trend line here. It's going to get pushed up a little higher. Once I start adding more of the November stuff in, the new spike should be up here, and then December's hopefully will be up here. We'll see this chart just really, really grow. But I'd like to look at it so far and just see for the year, in the months that I've been doing this. You think I started with, next to nothing, and working my way up, even though it's only $40, $50, that's still $40, $50 per month that I'm getting in dividends right now. You could think like next year, what's it going to be? The year after, what's it going to be? You really get excited about the possibilities, and that's what I'm after, and that's what I'm hoping with these videos with you guys, is to inspire you guys to be able to follow along with what I'm doing on your own too. Why can't we all generate this passive income and all have, the financial freedom and the success that we all want? So, but you got to put in the work. So I'm hoping these will inspire you, to help you guys do that, as it's inspiring me as I make these videos for you guys to keep pushing forward. So that's what I've got so far for the week, guys. Like I said, new position added there with Target. It was very, very small, but nonetheless, I got it added. We'll continue to grow that as we go. Hopefully, this month we'll hit my goal. But you guys are gonna have to stay tuned for those. Like I said, we can all celebrate together once I get to that goal. So if you guys haven't subscribed, please do so. Please follow me on social media. Please hit that thumbs up button. Leave some comments below. Let me know what you think. And we will catch you guys next week. Happy investing.